Hello, it is I, Casey. Okay, my hair is crazy. I had my booster shot yesterday, so I'm feeling a little weird. But we have the ice cream was already in these cups, and we didn't put ice in it this time. We kind of recognized that, like, ice cream's already cold. So this is also this no-name orange pop. Now, Mom's gonna make the burger because I'm not feeling so great because that COVID shot thing, but it's a take on Ian's jalapeno stuffed burger. All right. I don't know. I'm pouring.
Is that getting it?
Yeah, it's getting it. This is like frozen like ice.
I know, I had the pop in the garage.
The pop was in the garage. I'll fill one up.
Just for the looks of it.
Whoa, it looks really cool actually.
Yeah.
At the, like, look at that. That looks really cool. Okay, so.
Kind of tastes like an orange creamsicle, I find those ones.
Especially if your pop is frozen like that.
Yeah.
I have this much pop.
Give her a swish around there, son.
Wow, it does taste like a cream. It's kind of crazy that it tastes so good. Okay, thank you, everybody.
Okay, neighbors. Thanks, Casey. Now, on to the burger. This is a take on Ian's homemade jalapeno cheese stuffed burger. I don't have ground beef. I'm doing ground chicken. We're doing a Cajun jalapeno cheese stuffed burger, okay? We're gonna do it almost like in a meatloaf style. 2 pounds of ground chicken, a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, a small onion diced up really small. Now I'm going to mix this and I'll come right back. And we are also going to do a sauce, grill some shrimp. Now I'll leave the links under the video here in the show more area to a playlist and to Ian. You gotta check it out. Him and Tabitha, his wife, they do up some delicious stuff, I'm telling you. Now Ian stuffed his burger with American cheese. I have Havarti cheese that I shredded up. Let's see if I can do this. Jalapeno. Some cheese.
Chicken.
Try to smoosh that in there. In a little well.
Now I'm just throwing in the cheese and the jalapeno. This one's going to be messy.
I'm cooking them on a medium heat and doing dishes. Sizzling away there, let's make a sauce. I think I'll do more like 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Maybe like half a tablespoon of sriracha. A tablespoon of sweet relish. So a tablespoon of mustard. Oh man, I meant to put this garlic in with the chicken. Oh well. I'll put a little bit in here. Garlic. Just a titch. Half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Needs a little bit of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Let's try that. could use some more sriracha for my guys, but I got lots of Cajun seasoning in the burgers. Check the temperature internally with my handy dandy thermometer, and they are cooked. So I am going to cook up my shrimp. These are large shrimp that deshelled and deveined, and I split them to open them nice and wide because I want to kind of have them look kind of larger than what they are. They are large shrimp. Two minutes aside. Some of them curled up more than what I wanted, but oh well. A little bit of lime I feel like putting on the
sauce. We don't have any lettuce. Shrimp.
we have. Look at that. It's not on camera though. Okay, hon, here, go ahead, have a taste.
Thanks.
I'll take a taste of half, you take a taste of half. In case nobody are doing on camera but me. You feel it, huh? Mm. Mm. Inspired by Ian and Tabitha, with the cheese, jalapeno stuffed in the burger. It's really good.
Oh, it's awesome.
Give it a try. Links under the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace, love, God bless.